Adding cloud-based video conferencing in the Philadelphia region is now simpler than ever with the Haverford Systems Free Installation Zone. This initiative is helping businesses integrate professional audiovisual on a budget. In 2015, Haverford Systems recognized that the equipment required for today's latest cloud-based video conferencing software was becoming more affordable and powerful than ever. So we started Conference Room Systems, aka CRS, as a professional audiovisual e-commerce resource for pre-bundled DIY video conferencing systems. With the success of this business model, CRS is expanding into the Philadelphia region, offering free installation services along with our most popular kits. Our latest catalog offers a variety of turnkey video conferencing and live streaming systems you can choose from, with DIY or free installation from our team. The systems are designed intelligently to accommodate compatibility with the industry's most popular software, such as GoToMeeting, WebEx, Skype, or Zoom. The systems also include well-thought-out upgrade pathways for systems. So, you can start with literally any budget and increase your room's audiovisual features when you need it. You can review our latest video conferencing systems on our e-commerce store at www.conferenceroomsystems.com. The latest free Installation Zone catalog is available for download at the link below or on our website menu under Systems. When you select CRS as your audiovisual integration partner, you'll be working with a dedicated account manager with access to professionally trained audiovisual installers. Use us as a trusted e-commerce store with same-day shipping, or as your audiovisual integration company, capable of custom integration projects of any size.